Hello everyone, I am Aftab Mandal. In previous video we saw introduction to Java. Today in this video we are going to talk about data types. So we will cover the following topics in this video. We will talk about the needs and use of data type and different kinds of data type in Java. So let's start our video with the very first point, that is need and use of Java in data. Need and use of data types. Data types is used to store data in a computer through a program. So we can use, there are many types of data, we can use any of them according to our need. We will talk about them later. So there are two main types of data type. They are primitive and non-primitive. We will talk about later about non-primitive. First we will focus on primitive data types. So there are 8 primitive data types. They are byte, short, int, long, float, double, boolean and char. We will discuss them in detail. So first one is byte. Byte stores integer of very short number, that it contains only 1 byte of memory. If we talk about short, it will contain much bigger memory than as compared to byte. As same follows int and long, they will store much larger data than these two. If we talk about float and double, they will also carry the integer but with decimal points. So the difference between float and double is float will store a short number as compared to double. Then comes char. Char will contain only single character, be it A, B, C, D or anything, but it will contain only single character. The last one is boolean. Boolean will store only 2 values, that is true or false. So the difference between these data types are in the range of they store the data. So let's talk about non-primitive data types. There are 4 non-primitive data types. They are array, string, class and interface. The difference between primitive and non-primitive is primitive uses single entity of data, whereas non-primitive contains multiple data types. That is, the non-primitive depends on primitive. It uses the primitive data types. That's why we also call non-primitive as reference data types. So let's conclude this video here. We will talk about the upcoming chapters in next videos. This is Aftab Mandal signing off.